November dump Instagram viral trending story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do and where you can find this viral add your stickers, so keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and then from there click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And now you have to search for Ali and John YTT. And then from this place, you will have to go to November add yours at highlights, which is here. Now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you can find a tutorial in the description box below or in the first pinned comment, and also in the description box below you will find many other useful videos like how to fix highlights not loading, how to find viral add your sticker, and so on. So now from here you just have to go to your uploads and choose your first photo. I will go with this one. Now you have to place it into the left top corner. And then to add a second photo, you just have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, scroll down and click on this plus icon. And then it will get you to your gallery and you can add your second photo. Place it where you want as you did with the first photo and so on. You can add as many photos as you want. But I will just leave it with one photo right now to make the tutorial short. And now click on the your story to post this with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you can also find that tutorial into the super viral at highlights also on my Instagram account. As you can see here, not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here where the arrow points and it will get to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to click on that. So guys, don't forget to comment into the comment section down below about your thoughts about this add yours sticker, your questions, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Also, if the video was useful, you can like it and you can subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.